What's happening, YouTube boy Tech Tricks? Back in another video. Today we're looking at the OttoAibox P3 CarPlay AI box. That is a mouthful, but it is really good, and I think you're gonna love this too. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Because this OttoAibox P3 has an fully pledged Android 12. You can run any app you want. It also has an HDMI output. It has a TF card reader, which is a micro SD card reader, and also it has a SIM card slot so that you can go online and use this as a hotspot as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what it comes in the box. So the box looks like this. Inside the box, you get a USB-A. You get the P3 box like so. Comes with a USB-C cable. Now you can use this if your Apple CarPlay slot is a USB-C to USB-C, but if it's not, then you will have to hook it up how I did it, as you can see here. Basically, you're gonna use the splitter here so that you can power it on two separate USB-A slots, and that will power up the P3 box. Once it's all installed, it should look like this, and with this front here you can move around actually your widgets, which is really cool, and you'll be able to change your ambient light as well here. If your car has that, you can change the colors as you could see here, or if you don't, the box itself would change colors as what we have here. If you want to use wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, this is what you will use. You will hit the multi-play button and you just connect this via Bluetooth and you're good to go. But for those of you who are like me, who wants to do everything while I'm driving, here you'll be able to use Netflix. You can watch on YouTube as well. You can even have any apps you want, including Prime Video, Disney Plus. Just download it from the Play Store and you will be good to go. Here, as you could see, you can even go to Chrome and browse the internet if you wanted to. You can go shopping on eBay, and I mean, if you really wanted to, the Play Store also has games. As you could see here, I'm playing Candy Crush. How about a bit of a competitive pool, 8-ball pool here, as you could see. How about like a full version of the Google Maps? Now, you don't get to see this a lot with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but as you can see here, fully pledged Google Maps. Beautiful. And of course, for those times that you had a rough day, you want to focus just on driving, we have that too. Now, if you have kiddos on the back and you have monitors back there and you don't want to watch what they're watching, you can cast to HDMI, and that is one of the features that the P3 has as well. Basically, you just wire up the P3 box, which has a mini HDMI slot to your monitors back there, and you'll be good to go.
Look for it. Do you see the green box with yellow and pink ornaments and a green bow?
Now, if you want to watch YouTube videos and navigate as well, you can use split screen. We got the split screen right here. So pretty much with the split screen app, you get to pick which app you want here. Just click it, search what you want, or you could just pick which app you want to use here, and maybe you want Google Maps instead. Let's go Maps right there, and then let's say you want to put in YouTube right there. You just hit that, and as you could see, it has both of those there, and then you're just gonna hit add to home screen there. You could change the style and whatever, I don't really care about that. Hit use and then add to home screen right down there. Once you do that, you will have it on your screen right here, and then you just hit that, and once you do that, you'll have your split screen. Now from here you can change how big you want the screens are. Maybe you want to prioritize the maps instead, or if you want to take it out altogether, you just have to drag it all the way there and you're good to go. As you can see, we have our 4G connection here, which our SIM card is working. Now, the OttoAibox P3 also has an 8 gigs RAM and 128 gigs of ROM, which is expandable using a micro SD card. It also has a dual Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 gigahertz and 5.0 gigahertz. You could change the wallpaper and the style of your homepage as well. Add in widgets if you wanted to. It even has a odometer. You can also update this just online. Now, of course, the P3 with its HDMI out can be used as a TV box and enjoy with your family. Now, it is a touch screen, so you need Bluetooth remote to control it. You can use this to facilitate office work because you can use a micro SD card that can go up to 256 gigs. And then if you are camping, this is absolutely the best thing to bring. You can have entertainment right off your screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new TV box, which is the OttoAibox P3 by AutoCast. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely recommend this for people who are just looking for all-in-one Android box, pretty much converting your Apple CarPlay into a fully pledged Android box, and also it has the wireless CarPlay as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of these, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.